P. Gracia, Ma'am, Barangay and PTCE officials, teachers, parents, fellow graduates, friends, visitors from UP Mindanao Omega Alpha Alumni Association Corporation, good morning. I am happy to celebrate today our 9th commencement exercises, which marks the culmination of many years of hard work, study, planning, and preparation, as well as investment in time and resources. This day is truly a significant milestone for all of us, graduates, parents, teachers, and staff. And we all know that life does not end here. For most of us, this is only the beginning. It is only right that we take this opportunity to pause, take account of what we have accomplished, and issue a deep sigh of satisfaction and relief as we congratulate to one another before moving on to the next chapter of our lives. We are all architects, engineers, and builders working together in this colossal project we call our country the Philippines. I hope and pray that over and above each of our personal dreams for ourselves comes the larger year of a united, fulfilled, and prosperous Filipino people. A dream that benefits the few, but one that benefits all. Congratulations, March 2013 to 2014. Let's celebrate it, cherish it. Our day has just begun. Once again, thank you very much and have a nice day to all.